Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a brand YouTube channel. But why do you need a brand YouTube channel? Well, a brand YouTube channel attached to many perks, because if you have a brand YouTube channel, you can actually transfer your YouTube channel to another Gmail account. Not only that, I think YouTube prioritizes brand YouTube channel to have a very high SEO in rankings. So I actually have a brand YouTube channel and I've seen like a good result from this particular YouTube channel. And not only that, if you have a brand YouTube channel, you can be able to transfer your YouTube channel to any Gmail you want to transfer it to. Of course, you know that YouTube is a business, and just like any business, in case you want to sell it in the future, you can be able to transfer it to someone else. So that being said, let's dive into the video. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be making use of my mobile phone because I notice most people are using their mobile devices when accessing their YouTube. So you have to first go to your YouTube studio. Now tap on the settings icon below. So once you tap on the settings icons, it's going to take you to the settings page. Now kindly tap on channel. Now if you tap on channel, it's going to take you to the advanced settings, basic info and feature eligibility. Now that you are at this page, kindly tap on advanced settings, and once it shows you the page, scroll down till you get to other settings. Now you want to tap on manage YouTube account, because this is where you're going to be able to change your account from a normal YouTube account to a brand YouTube channel. Now it's going to take you to another page. So this fresh new page is where you're going to see account. So now if you want to know if your channel is not a brand account, you're going to see channel status and features, create a new channel. Now that means your account is not a brand account. Kindly tap on advanced settings. Now scroll down and you're going to see move channel to a brand account. Now this is where you need to tap on the blue button there. Once you tap on the blue button, it's going to take you to a new page where you're going to change your account. But for you to change your account to a brand account, you need to sign in to your Google account for them to verify that you are the owner of the YouTube channel. So this might take a few seconds for it to load, but as soon as it's finished loading, they're going to show you that your Google account is confirmed and it shows that the phone belongs to you. Now you just have to tap on the continue button and wait for a few minutes for it to take you back to a new page. And as soon as it takes you to the new page, this is where you're going to now see that your account has been changed from a personal account to a brand YouTube channel. So for you to confirm that this account has been changed to a brand channel, kindly tap on account again. But this time around, you're going to be seeing a different setup there instead of the previous setup you were seeing before. Now this time around, you're going to be seeing move your YouTube channel to a different account. That means you have successfully moved your YouTube channel to a brand YouTube account. Now you can transfer it to any Gmail of your choice.